Hey guys, Happy New Year. It's Monday morning, drawing the math for the RSF arm. Because it is time. It is absolutely time. I have done all of your fork orders. I have invented the front forks. I single-handedly invented mass production front forks for sale. And I'm 137 forks in, and I am pretty much done. The monotony is killing me. So it's time to work on these now. I don't have any more orders. I got to take care of Thomas Walker. His stuff's over here in boxes. It's pretty much ready to go. That's the main reason why I pulled my hip out. As soon as I said that, my hip started hurting. But the idea is I want to go ahead and give us a new type of arm without following the old rules. And the old rules were pretty stupid. Put your entire battery weight, and at the original time was at 45 pounds or so, whatever, 30 pounds, whatever. Let's throw that on there, right? Let's go ahead and throw the rider's weight on there. We'll put some foot pegs on there too. You know what? That's a whole lot of weight. Let's go ahead and throw an 800-pound spring on there that weighs 13 pounds. Maybe that'll work all of our problems out for us. I don't like it. I don't like it. So what I want to do is I want to hang the battery off of the trestle because that's where I put my batteries, right there. But I know you guys can't do that. So we'll just hang it from down here for you guys. And then that shock, I would like to reduce 10 pounds. 10 pounds by putting on like a 185, 165 millimeter, bicycle shock. Something similar. Nothing crazy. In D&M or something. Those only weigh a couple of pounds. Those weigh 13 pounds. And then we have this 30 pounds or whatever of original lead acid or 18 to 20 pounds of whatever it is you're going to stuff on there, right? So I want to get rid of that too. And then make something that'll hold foot pegs for us. And then bring our swing arm down a little bit and then come across to the axle without having to be level. I want to bring the motor up too. And then put the shock mount somewhere right around there. We're going to work the math out. That's why I have to get these measurements down and then add 2 inches to it because I think that's what I want to do is add 2 inches. It'll give us a little bit more stability, And we could have a place to put our dang legs. If I can give us those extra 2 inches, I can move the swing arm back. Then that means I can move the kickstand back about an inch or so and then move the foot pegs back about an inch or so, and that should make a big difference. Here's kind of what I'm looking to do. Here's what I'm looking to do. I lost my little piece of paper. Here it is. All right. So you know how we had the battery sitting there, the shock sitting there, and then our foot pegs were right around here. I propose that we put the motor up, move the shock mount to right around there, and then hang the battery. Let me do this before my battery dies on my phone. But basically, I want to go ahead and put it there so that it's a fixed piece of the bike and it's not going to move around with your feet. And then we'll just have to deal with just the mount and the motor up here. I think I can put a foot peg somewhere right next to the motor mount or just have something come down here for a foot peg. And I want to do it in angular steel, not round steel. What do you guys think? Anyways, my hip hurts. I'm tired of standing. Talk to you guys later. I'm still designing.